Arithmetic is where numbers fly like pigeons in and out of your head. Let's fly with those pigeons in our puzzling magic square. Welcome to my channel MK Mathikarte. Let's now create a 3x3 puzzling magic square. But what is a magic square? What are the rules? All rows must add up to the same number. All columns must add up to the same number, and the most fascinating part is that all the diagonals must also add up to the same sum. Just give me a number and I will be able to present a very wonderful 3x3 magic square which follows all these disciplines. But wait, there's one rule. For a 3x3 matrix or a 3x3 magic square, the sum must be a multiple of 3. For a 5x5 magic square, the sum must be a multiple of 5, and so on. Let's begin. Grab a stopwatch and just challenge me with a number. Number? Yeah, the number 30. Oh, it's very simple. That means all the rows must add up to 30, all the columns must add up to 30, all the diagonals must also add up to 30. And here we go. I'm going to start my stopwatch. Wow, I finished in 22 seconds. Is that amazing? And just count this. 13 plus 6 plus 11, 30. 8 plus 10 plus 12, 30 again. 9 plus 14 plus 7, 30 again. 13 plus 8 plus 9, 30 again. 6 plus 10 plus 14, 30 again. 11 plus 12 plus 7, 30 again. 13 plus 10 plus 7, 30 again. 11 plus 10 plus 9, 30 again. Yes, I finished my magic square in 22 seconds. Is that not amazing? Let's have a bigger challenge. Let's move on to a bigger square. A 5x5? No, little bigger. 9 by 9? Yes, let's do it. Grab my stopwatch. This is a 9x9 magic square and I'm going to try for some 900. Have got my stopwatch and I'm going to start my stopwatch. I'm going to do it. Let's start. And that's it. Wow. This is my 9x9 magic square whose sum is 900. Is that not amazing? I finished it in 3 minutes 36 seconds. This magic square, is this not puzzling and mysterious? Maybe for the ones who doesn't know the trick, I may seem to be a great magician. But not really so. There's a small trick. And here's the trick. Let's take this 5x5 magic square. My sum here is going to be 100. That is, all rows must add up to some 100, all columns must add up to some 100, and all the principal main diagonals must also add up to the sum 100. This is a 5x5 magic square. So, I'm going to divide my sum by 5. If it is a 3x3 magic square, we have to divide it by 3. If it is a 9x9 magic square, we have to divide it by 9. This is a 5x5 magic square, so we divide 100 by 5. So the answer is 20. So this 20 occupies the middle cell of our table. Subtract the number thus obtained by the number of cells before it. In this case, the number of cells before our number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 20 minus 12 is nothing but 8. This 8 occupies the middle cell of our first row. So 8 occupies the middle cell of a first row. Now the process is very simple. There's a small mantra, and that mantra is go one cell up and one cell to the right. What? One cell up and one cell to the right? Yes. One cell above 8? No, there's no cell. So we come here. And one cell to the right? Here. What is the number after 8? It's 9. So write 9 here. Now the mantra, one cell up, one cell to the right. So the number after 9 is 10. Now we go one cell up, one cell to the right. There's no cell, so we come over here. That is 11. Now the 12 comes, one cell up, one cell to the right. So 12 comes here. The number after 12 is 13. One cell up, one cell to the right. This cell is already occupied by one number. So where do we go? The cell immediately below 12. That is 13 comes here. Now we again use our mantra. One cell up, one cell to the right, and 14 comes here. Now again our mantra, one cell up, one cell to the right, so 15 comes here. And then again one cell up, no, the cell is not here, so we come over here. So one cell up and one cell to the right, so 16 comes here. One cell up and one cell to the right, there's no cell, so we come over here. 17, and then one cell up, one cell to the right. The cell is already occupied. So what shall we do now? Yes, we go to the cell immediately below 17, and that's 18. Now we go one cell up, one cell to the right. 19 comes here. One cell up, one cell to the right. Yes, 20 is here. One cell up, one cell to the right. 21. One cell up, one cell to the right. 22. One cell up, there's no cell, so we come over here, and then to the right, it's already occupied, so we go to the cell immediately below 22, and so 23 comes here. And then after 23, it's 24. One cell up, one cell to the right, there's no cell over here, so we come over here. So 24 over here, and then one cell up, one cell to the right. One cell up, come here, one cell to the right comes here, so 25. And then again one cell up, one cell to the right. 26 over here. One cell up, one cell to the right. 27 over here. One cell up, one cell to the right. It's already occupied, so we go to the cell immediately below 27. So 28 comes here, and then one cell up, one cell to the right. 29 comes here. One cell up, one cell to the right. 30 comes here, 1 cell up, 1 cell to the right. 31 comes here, 1 cell up, so we come here, and 32. And thus our 5x5 magic square is ready. And you can check it down. All the rows will add up to some 100. All the columns will also add up to some 100, and all the diagonals will also add up to some 100. Is that not amazing? And that's it. Follow this mantra. Go 1 cell up, followed by 1 cell to the right. And by practice, you can challenge your friends and become a magician using this simple trick. As you observe here, this quizzing magic square has its own limitations and drawback, giving privilege to its own favorite numbers. But otherwise, it's a most righteous magic square, isn't it? It gives equal weightage to all its rows and all its columns. Bravo! Keep quizzing in the wonderful Mac world, and I'll be back with few more magic squares and magic puzzles. Until then, it's me Kartika signing off. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Let's happiness and peace fill everyone's life. Bye-bye.